Okay. Hey people, a very warm welcome to all the amazing people out there. This is Bhavna, your master teacher of physics at grade 9 and 10 Vedantu English channel, welcoming you all to an amazing session of Let's Revise India. So are you ready people? Hello everyone, I'm doing great and I hope the same to all the beautiful people out there that they would be doing great, awesome, super amazing and fantabulous. So people, Bhavna Mams, let's revise India. Let's see what is going to come. What is going to come. Let's just check this out. Are you ready? Are you ready? Let me just get it muted because I knew it. This was going to happen. But if everybody is doing good, give me a thumbs up into the chat panel, into the like box so that I know that everybody is doing amazing and we can start with our yet again because we are going to bring lots of amazing session for you guys on Let's Revise India. The topic that we are doing is gravitation. But before anything else, anything else, I want to just share this super information with you people. Vedantu's Got Talent is here. I cannot keep calm because this is an amazing news for all those people who have their hidden talent waiting for कि कोई तो सुन लो. कोई तो सुन लो. I am so full of talent. I am so good with dancing. I am great with innovation. My singing is superb. I am great with speaking. I am a good orator. I love to play guitar, I love to play Casio, I love to play any of the instrument and I'm good at production or arts and craft. If you have these passions, these hobbies, these things that actually call out to you other than acads, then Vedantu is giving you a chance to bring out your best part out there and show it to the world. Do not hesitate, just go forward because there is amazing prizes to be won. The entry had been started from 14th and it is going to go till 26th, but maybe the lines get open for more. So do not waste any more time. Shoot a 3-minute video in landscape and make sure it is presentable because your presentation is going to make you the winner. Do you know what's the greatest part? It is open for pre-KG till 12th. So talent की कोई age नहीं होती, right? That's what it is and the prizes are even more amazing. Laptops, tablets, headphones and gadgets and subscriptions. Super good. I would be really happy मेरे को कुछ भी मिल जाता. It is just the thing about winning now. When you win something, it feels so great. Wow, I won this. So do not miss this. You will find the link in the description box of the video. So go to that link, upload your video and make sure you win it. Okay. So this is something that I wanted to tell you as the very start because I have taken part. ठीक है, मैं बता देती हूँ, बहुत बुरी बात है. So ideally, before students, there was a Vedantu's Got Talent for teachers. How many people know this? How many people know this? पढ़ेंगे कुछ, क्यों नहीं पढ़ेंगे बच्चे? कितने बच्चों को पता है कि ये वाले VGT that is for students जो हमारे बहुत amazing students हैं and it's open for all. It's not like this. There was a VGT for teachers and most of your teachers, like I'll tell you, Divyasha ma'am took part, Mohan sir took part, I know Haripriya ma'am took part. There were so many teachers who took part in that and Bhawna ma'am also took part. I also took part and if I can just tell you, I didn't take part in one. मैंने सोचा हर जगह ट्राई मारते हैं, कहीं से भी गिफ्ट आ जाए, बट पोपट हो गया. पोपट क्यों? बिकॉज आई वेंट फॉर डांस, आई वेंट फॉर ओपन माइक, लाइक आई रिसाइटेड अ पोएम एंड सिंगिंग मेरे बस की बात नहीं है. आई वेंट फॉर क्रिएटिविटी एंड आई डिडंट गॉट अ प्राइज इन एनीथिंग. सो बैड. तो मेरे साथ ये हो गया बट आपके साथ ये नहीं होना चाहिए. डू टेक पार्ट बिकॉज इट इज always good to take part. First thing, अगर मैं पार्ट ही नहीं लूंगी तो जीतूंगी नहीं. That's it. Simple logic. So do take part. ठीक है बच्चा पार्टी. Super great. So let's begin with our class today. I just needed to share that sad story with you guys. But कोई नहीं. Next year, definitely. That's why I'm telling you, bacha party presentation matters the most. So make sure when you make a video, it is too presentable. It is very good. किसी को शूट करने को बोलो, make sure the lighting is proper because it matters. ठीक है, all of that matters. Cool. हाँ, even VGT has its own channel where you can see all your teachers singing, dancing. And by the way, दिव्याशा मैम नेक्स्ट टाइम मिले तो कंग्रेचुलेट कर देना, शी वन द सेकंड प्राइज इन क्रिएटिविटी. डू नॉट मिस इट. और ट्रीट भी ले लेना, मुझे भी नहीं मिली अभी तक. Okay, so बच्चा पार्टी. Hey Aditya, Arpan, Soham, super nice to meet everyone out there. Aditya, Bharat, Kunj, Tejas, Navya, very warm welcome. Bharat, Vedika, everyone out there, सबको बहुत सारा welcome, very welcome. And we are going to start with our topic of revision. Now people, as I told, first thing first, mind maps are important so that you can have a map. So right, in the maps you have location, here, this is the stoppage, this is the turn. You have important points marked. Similarly, a mind map helps you to mark those important concepts in between. The road will be made, but the important concept should be there. And no, you cannot copy a mind map of your friend. You cannot copy a mind map from internet, not even your teachers. A mind map is yours. It is personalized because your mind is different from any other out there, right? So you are unique. Your mind map will also be unique, which will help you. It will guide your map. So ये universal नहीं होगा, fine? But there is a law which is universal, which is the law of gravitation, and we are dealing with it. And as I said, we will go slow, we will go baby steps, but we will definitely go stronger. That means every topic will be covered in such great depth that you will not miss a single type of question that can come in your exam. So we were talking about universal law of gravitation in the last session, and we have talked about what type of questions can come. So short type of question, 2 markers. Long type of question, 3 markers, and very long, that is 5 markers. Now in the chapter of gravitation, what can you expect in 2 marker question? Short, straight numerical, एकदम direct numerical आ गया कि आपको M पता है, R पता है, give me the force. Straight numerical, which is like too easy. I will not even give you that. But it can come with some conceptual question, right? Second thing, we talked about 3 marker. There you will get small derivation which are not very big, such as universal law of gravitation, find the value of G, or calculate small g on moon. Such kind of questions can come in 3 markers. 5 markers are definitely going to be numericals, and that is what we are going to practice today. So अपने हथियार तैयार रख लो, take your armor out, pen and paper ready, because we are going to do many of the numericals which are going to do level up. ठीक है? So are you ready, people? Are you ready over there? How many people are there right away? Right away, how many people are watching? And I am having less number of likes here. That's so bad. 32 people watching, 28 likes. कैसे कर सकते हो आप लोग? कम से कम उतना तो same रखो ना. So make sure this always remain at least greater than this. Because I know more of people will join us. Always make it greater. Thank you very much for that support. Let's go forward and let's talk about the universal law of gravitation. Last class we have discussed some 2 markers questions such as what is universal law of gravitation. Then we also learned the technique how to make a 2 marker answer into a 3 marker, how to make a 1 mark answer into a 3 marker. We have talked about that technique, and that technique is something really amazing. You need to learn, baby. The faster you learn, the better it is. If the answer is true and false, how to make a 1 statement into 2 marker. I'll add proper explanation or the definition or the statement. If I want to make the same into a 3 marker, I'll add an example or the equation. So that's called smart work, and we people are super smart. We already know that. So we will apply every smart thing or trick out there. So 2 से 3 or 3 से 5 में कैसे जाना है? We have discussed, right? Now we are going to go with what is gravitation done, 2 marker question. State universal law of gravitation done, 2 and 3 both. Deriving the formula of G, we have done, that can be 2 से 3 का jump, right? This is what we have talked, and numericals. This is what we are going to do today to the level up. So what kind of numericals can we expect in 3 or 5 marker question? So we are going to do this, but with 2 little menti questions. What say people? Shall we start with a menti? Yes or no? बच्चे तेजस, ideally 10th का result term 1 का CBSE have announced that they are going to get it out. But what I feel, what I have a notion as in my, but if they announce, because they have already said they will announce, The problem is they have said that term 1 and term 2 has some weightage according to how the exams happen. You remember the first notice that came that your PTs also have importance, your term 1, your term 2, depending on different scenarios in the time of COVID. So right now we don't know how the term 2 is going to happen. It might be for 10th standard, the term 2 is going to be online, it could be in school, it could be at a center. So there are different scenarios and hence the weightage of term 2 will differ. So if they release a term 1 result right away, क्या होगा, प्रॉब्लम हो जाएगी ना, बाद में वो चेंज तो कर नहीं सकते. अगर 40 दे दिया तो बाद में तो नहीं बोलेंगे ना कि नहीं नहीं 35 मार्क्स है, हमारी वेटेज उतनी है. सो ऑब्वियसली दिस इज अ ग्रे एरिया. इफ CBSE रिलीजेस इट विल बी फिक्स्ड, बट इफ इट इज नॉट रिलीजिंग, आइडली term 1 and term 2 का साथ में रिजल्ट आना चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट विल बी योर कंबाइंड रिजल्ट, दैट विल बी योर फाइनल रिजल्ट. Abhinandan, no. In your term 2, gravitation and work energy power is coming, and after doing gravitation, we'll go to the revision of work energy power as well. ठीक है? So we are going to start with a Menti because Menti के बिना मजा नहीं आता है मैम. So आ जाओ जल्दी से Menti में, और Menti में रहना है. Because why I am saying so? Because this Menti is a 5 question Menti. We are going to do 2 questions first and remaining 3 at the end. सो लेवल तो तभी पता चलेगा कि हम शुरू से एंड तक सेशन में कितना सीख रहे हैं. ठीक है? सो गो टू द मेंटी बच्चा पार्टी, टेक द कोड 777299148 क्विकली. आर यू एंग्री फ्रॉम मी? नो काव्या. ओहो, तेजस से पूछा जा रहा है. आई एम सो सॉरी टू डिस्टर्ब योर डिस्कशन. प्लीज कैरी ऑन. Super nice. Yay people, get into the Menti, and yes, do like the video. I told you the number of people watching should always be making the like number go up. So if there are 50 people watching, the like cannot be less than 50. Simple as that. It should be more than 50, more than 100. You can make it. I don't mind, but make sure that you do support us, because we will only get to know you're liking this content, you are learning and you're enjoying by your like, right? And obviously you can comment also. That will be super sweet of you. Okay. Yes, Dinesh, you can ask your doubt here. Get to the Menti quickly. Hi, Mitra Bacha. Hey, Sanket. अभी भी मुझसे ही बात हो रही है. Are you angry from me, Sanket? क्या हो रहा है ये? संकेत खुद से पूछ रहा है. What is happening? What is happening? मैम Menti में अगर न्यूमेरिकल्स होंगे तो पहले क्वेश्चन दिखा देना, वरना सॉल्व. नहीं बच्चे, बिल्कुल न्यूमेरिकल्स नहीं है. Menti we are keeping. See, as I am going in suit with the 10th standard sample paper, because 10th के ऊपर बॉम्ब गिरता है तो 9th के ऊपर उसके छीटे तो आती है. सो अगर 10th के ऊपर सब्जेक्टिव पेपर का बॉम्ब गिरा है तो दे हैव अ क्वेश्चन कॉल्ड केस बेस्ड. So we will be doing case based questions as well, because we can expect that in our exams as well. And case based is actually not one question of 5 marks, but one question of not 4 to 5 marks, but one question having 4 1 marker question. So you have to be prepared with 1 marker questions as well, and that's what Menti help us to prepare it. So everyone, I can see lots of people are already joining in. The code is 777299148. I'll wait for everyone to join in to make it a number of 35, or should I start? Chalo, let's make it 35 quickly, and the like number should also be. I'll keep on checking in between. मैं बता रही हूँ, मैं फिर बीच में check करने जाऊँगी. Come on, 34 it is already. 35 कर लो. 777299148. जल्दी से एक और बंदी को बुला लो. मम्मी के फोन से कनेक्ट कर लो. I don't mind, do whatever. मम्मी को बोलो, मम्मी आओ जरा ग्रेविटेशन की क्विज खेलते हैं. Okay, so I can see a snowman is there, an alien, a football, a clover leaf. Santa Claus. बढ़ाने को बोला है, कम करने को नहीं बोला है. जल्दी से आ जाओ. Come on people, quickly. Oh my God, एक alligator आया है. Then we have it. We have 35. Fire on, ma'am. So let's start with the Menti in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The code is 777299148. 2 questions we are starting just right now. Abhi. Super easy. You know everything. Let's see कितना अच्छे से करते हैं. So the first question on our sheet is coming now. Oopsie! What is this? What is this? क्या हो रहा है ये? ये बहुत चीटिंग हो गई है. कोई चीटिंग नहीं करेगा. First question. Please मेरे साथ ऐसा मत करो. First question. Yes, it is coming. Yes. Motion of moon around the earth is due to dash. Motion of moon around the earth is due to that. Why does the moon go around the earth? Due to centripetal force, due to force of friction, due to mechanical force, due to electromechanical force. Why does the moon go around the earth? किसने बोला है उनको? किसने मून को टास्क पे लगा रखा है कि go around the earth again and again and again and again? क्यों? Why? Why does the moon go around the earth? Is moon is in love with earth? Maybe. Is it? Come on. In 3, in 2, in 1, the time is up. Very well. Who chose force of friction, mechanical force and electromagnetic force? I want to know that. It is more intriguing for me कि किसने वो choose करा है. बाकी तो obviously I knew everybody. Very well done. 88% people have got it correct, ma'am. Obvious na. Moon goes around the earth because of the centripetal force. Centripetal force is responsible for all bodies go around. So it will be the same reason. Now, if the question would have been, what is the cause of the centripetal force? क्या आंसर होता बच्चा पार्टी? What would be the answer? Why the moon goes around the earth? Due to what? अहो, बाप रे बाप, तारे ज़मीन पर क्या हो रहा है मेरे सेशन में? What is happening? It is the force of gravitation. Very good. So Tejas is the fastest on the top, but I can see it's a tough competition today. Only 5 points behind. It's Bhumi. You are so cute, bache. Thank you. Then it's Mitra. Only 4 points back. क्या हो रहा है? क्या हो रहा है? कितनी close fight है? Then it's Vinita at the same position. Then around 9 points behind. It's Ayush today in your class 5 p.m. So sweet, Ayush. Then it's Anubha. I hope this is not Anubha ma'am. It's Anubha Gaur यार. It's very confusing. Anubha ma'am, chemistry के साथ साथ physics भी पढ़ रहे हो तो very good. Then it's multi-purpose. Pragati, subscribe. So sweet. Bharat, I5, Shivam sir, student. Oh, super nice Bharat. Then it's Navu baby. Then it's Kevin from Andaman. Wow, I wish I could visit. But I can see the competition is very tough. Next question. As we discussed, a mentee will start at the beginning but end will be with the end of this session. Second question on your computer screen. Now, let's check this out, people. How is the distance related to the force of attraction? Oh my goodness, super easy. How distance and gravity, because we are talking about the force of attraction, we are talking about gravity here. How they are related? Directly proportional to the square of the distance, inversely proportional to the distance, inversely proportional to the square of the distance, none of these. I hope you have not made a mistake in quickie. So you might have heard that now. Hurry spoils the curry. ऐसा मत करना because the answer is very easy. Come on people, in 3, in 2 and in 1. कोई बात नहीं बच्चे, नेटवर्क की टेंशन नहीं लेते हैं प्रियल. Come on, the right answer. Oh my god, I just said that and you guys did it. बच्चे, hurry spoils the curry. क्या कर रहे हो? जल्दी जल्दी में ना खाना जल जाता है. The answer is, my force is inversely proportional to the square of distance. But नहीं पढ़ो, inversely पढ़ा गए, square पढ़ा गए, दोनों चीजें होनी चाहिए थी बच्चा. So A and B were just fooling around you, but C was the correct option. ये none of these वाले 5% वाले बाहर निकलो पहले. मतलब कोई भी नहीं, मैम नहीं है ही नहीं, हम तो भाई इस दुनिया के नहीं है, we are separate from here. मेंटी सेंटी हो गया है. Okay, so this is something I was not expecting. I was saying that maybe these 1 marker question are super easy, but this changes the leaderboard a lot. No, ma'am, no, it doesn't. We are still there. We are the one in the 35%. So Tejas is still on the top. Bhumi, you cute, is there on second. Then it's Kevin from Andaman. Priyal, second. Ma'am, second Priyal I am. So cute, Priyal. Bharat, Shivam sir, student. Shreyam, future Archimedes. Oh my god, you're going to be Archimedes. Just be careful, okay? Don't be that Archimedes who ran out of the water tub, you know what, right? Then it's Ayana, then it's Navu baby, multi-purpose Pragati, subscribe, and Metal. Oh my god, Metal was fastest. Very well done. No Eureka movement. Please don't know Eureka movement. I would not love to see that Eureka movement, okay? Okay, super great bacha party. Now here I want to just take 5 minutes of your time before starting class. I know I am taking a lot of time to even start with the quizzes. There is just one thing I cannot stop telling you. You know, 26th is around the corner. We know it is very special for us. It is the Republic Day and we are bringing a super deal for you guys, all those people. We don't want any student to miss on their best chance, their opportunity to ace. We have made sure that if you want to ace and Vedantu is the place for you, you do not miss it because of the cost factor. So we try to bring all these EdTech Fest for you guys, and right now the EdTech Fest has just gone crazy because any of the term 2 which you were getting at 6,000, 7,000 earlier, it has just went down to 3,000. Do not miss this. I'm telling you, it is your golden chance. All your subjects covered at one place. Social science, English, maths, physics, chemistry, bio, everything. And just before the exam, this is what you need. So do not miss on that. Right, people? BA Pro is the code. Do use this because for this 3,000 special bonanza, you need to use that code. Okay? Now I told you I just needed to say this. I was so waiting for this. Let's start with our revision without wasting any more time. So are you ready? We are just going to practice some 2-marker question which you guys can tell me in a flash of a second. Tell me, people, if a conceptual question such as this come in your exam, why the universal law of gravitation is a universal law? मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ? मैं ऐसा क्यों हूँ? Tell me, what will be your answer? Tell me. I'm looking to your answers, people. Let's see. I'm reading everybody. Ma'am is lagging. बच्चे मेरे को तो lag नहीं दिख रहा. But if I am, then I'm so sorry. बच्चे my batches are lots and lots of batches. So you just come and you can just ask which of the batch I teach and you can join that. Right? Come on. It applies. Very good, Ayush. Ayush already know this, huh, Ayush? Smart boy. From the 5 p.m. class, he knows it. Because it is applicable every place. Now, Bharat is saying, ma'am, because it is applicable everywhere. And Ayush is saying because it is applicable to every object. Which is more closer? Which answer do you? हमको नहीं चाहिए मैम, money नहीं है. Aditya, I'm telling you, I'm seriously telling you, this is actually for you people. If you think that money is a problem, and I understand, I really understand, we are not the decision makers at all. But if you really want something which is going to help you, your parents are never going to say no. So just ask them if you need it, if this is the place you think you can actually ace, they will never say no. I'm telling you that. It's same for all universe. Sunil is saying that because it's applicable at all places. So I am getting 3 answers. Ma'am, it is applicable everywhere. Perfectly correct. It is applicable everywhere and all places. Second thing, it is applicable to all the bodies. So, अगर ये मेरा 2-marker question है, what will I start? The universal law of gravitation is said to be universal because it is applicable to all bodies, big or small, whether they are celestial or terrestrial, in everywhere of the universe. So, anywhere and everywhere, it is applicable. Now, I want to make it a 3-marker question. Can you tell me how I can make this 2-marker into 3-marker? Come on, smart people. Bring out your smart skills. Tell me, how will you make this 2-marker into 3-marker? Which terrestrial means whether you are on earth. Celestial means which are all heavenly bodies as we talk about. Right? So anything from high above my atmosphere. Whichever body is there, these are celestial. Moon is a celestial body. Tree is a terrestrial body. Right? Come on. All has same formula. Yes, Aryan has this. Ma'am, मैं पता क्या करूँगा? I'll write the statement of universal law of gravity. Very well, you can do that. Very well. What else you can do? You can put an example. For example, the force between the apple and the earth is there, and also the earth applies a force on the moon. So there is a force of attraction between earth and moon. There is a force of attraction between moon and earth. There is a force of attraction between even the table and the chair. So all the bodies, I can start giving example. You can even put your example. Ma'am, मेरे अंदर भी बहुत सारा attractive force है. That's why my personality is super attractive. Ideally, don't write that. Right? Super good. Very good. Very good. So you can just do this way. Next question of 2 markers. If masses of the 2 bodies are halved and the distance between them is doubled, I said If such kind of a question come, I'll give you, चलो थोड़ा सा इसको बढ़ा देते हैं. It can also be a 3 marker question because talking about the CBSE standards, they can give you easy to moderate to 2-3 marks. What will be the answer है? भरत क्रॉस चेक कर ले बच्चे एक बारी. Thank you Ayush, that is not the question here. This can be helpful to make 3 markers. Definitely Bharat, definitely, that's what I'm saying. So that's your smart work there. How to make a 2 marker question into 3 marker? First, definitely answer what is asked. Now if it is asking you to make it like you are seeming it is very small to explain it further. That is always going to help you. So the answer is 1/8 as Bharat said. Bharat pakka. Kunj is saying 1/16. Sunil is saying 1/4. My goodness, I have so many answers. Bharat is changing his answer now. So I can see everybody is my class is smart. कोई बात नहीं भरत, गलती से ही सीखते हैं बच्चे, कोई problem नहीं है. Hi Asha, welcome to the class. Now what is given? Initial condition, let's say I have two masses M and M2. Right? They are separated by a distance of R. Now what is happening? If the two masses are half, दो लड्डू थे, वो वाली ऐड देखिए, मन में लड्डू फूटा. सो अब इस लड्डू को देख के फूट गया और मैंने खा लिया. मैंने आधा लड्डू खाया ये और आधा लड्डू खाया ये. अब आप सोच रहे होगे आधा आधा क्यों खाया? Why did I had half and half? सिंपल है ना बच्चे, अगर मैं एक पूरा खाऊंगी तो दूसरा लड्डू मम्मी ले जाएगी. मैंने सोचा आधा आधा दोनों से खा लूंगी तो मम्मी छीनेगी नहीं. बट मेरी मम्मी तो मेरी मम्मी है, वेरी स्मार्ट. मम्मी ने बोला बेटा आधा आधा भी खाया ना, तब भी आधा आधा बाद में मिलेगा. सो व्हेन आई हैव ईटन हाफ एंड हाफ लड्डू ऑफ बोथ, शी सेपरेटेड द लड्डू बाय ट्वाइसिंग, डबल द डिस्टेंस. मुझसे दूर कर दिया गया मेरा लड्डू. बट ठीक है, दैट्स हाउ इट इज, दैट्स हाउ इट इज. कोई बात नहीं, मुझे बस बताना है हाउ द फोर्स ऑफ ग्रेविटेशन इज चेंजिंग. अगर मैंने मम्मी को बता दिया मुझे दोनों लड्डू मिल जाएंगे. सो पीपल, फॉर द लव ऑफ लड्डूज, what is the force in the first case? The force in the first case is capital G M1 M2 by R square. Isn't it? Isn't it? Yes. For second question, it will be capital G M1 by 2, M2 by 2 and 1 upon R square. I can write 2R ka whole square, 1 upon 2R square. Now you can simply solve this. It will be G M1 M2 by R square still. 2 into 2 is 4 into 2 square is 4, that is 16. So my answer is 1 upon 16 and on in my class are super amazing people. Clap for yourself. Quickly clap for yourself. देखो, numericals are the most rewarding. जब नहीं solve होते बुरा लगता है ना, तो जब solve होते हैं तो खुश हुआ करो. Pat yourself. Very good, very good. I did it. Yes, I have the power. कौन सा था वो? Chicken dinner. If you are a non-vegetarian. I am a vegetarian. Cheese rolls. Okay, so the question is super easy, but this question can still have 2 to 3 marks. Don't do stupid mistakes. ठीक है, silly mistakes नहीं करने हैं. Let's go to the other question. 2 marker question. What is centripetal force? How will you define it? Nugget dinner. Nugget, huh? Nugget. I'll have cheese and corn nuggets. I had it in the breakfast today. Yes, come on. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Arpan. Yes, I am a vegetarian people. Are you angry from Tejas ma'am? Please ask from Tejas. नहीं बच्चों, मुझे नहीं पूछना. Central force, ना gamer ना. You have to be better. A force that acts on a body moving in a circular path is directed towards the center. Very good Bharat, very good. A force, very good Chanda ji. I am so sorry if that's not your perfect name. It's your mother or father. Force which helps moon. Devika, that would be the example, bache. That will not give you the right 2 marks. You understand, na? It's a 2 marker question. So 2 marker has to be like that. Force that acts on a body in a circular path. Kunj, that's perfect. But I like the answer which was given by Bharat. A force that acts on a body moving in a circular path. It is always directed towards the center. This way you are showing that you know more. This way you are actually impressing the examiner. See, I know my things. My concepts are super cool. You're getting it? So you need to be just going. So your answer 1 marker, the force that keeps the body in a circular motion. But I like that answer because 2 marker has to be because the force which keeps a body in circular motion, it's always directed towards the center. Then you can add an example. The moon goes around the earth because of the centripetal force. The planets goes around the sun because of the centripetal force. Right, people? So 2-marker question, it's always on you. Tejas is there in this chat. पहले बात तो ये बताओ, अनन्या सर की फोटो लगा के तुम तेजस से क्यों पूछ रही हो? Yes. So why this is no, baby, no. Aryan, you cannot say that. That's not the right answer, bache. Fine. So the force that keeps the body in a circular motion, it acts towards the center. This how you become a 1-marker answer to a 2-marker answer. Better even give examples. That's the thing to do. Right? Yes, the centripetal displacement is always tangential. That's correct, Bharat. Now a 3-marker question. The earth attracts an apple. Now I like this question because this question is not very difficult, but it asks you your concept, whether it is strong or not. The question here is, the earth attracts an apple. Super good. Does the apple attracts the earth? What's your answer? Yes or no? First just tell me yes or no. Yes or no? Tell me. The earth attracts the apple. ये रहा मेरा एक apple tree. बहुत ही गंदा है but ठीक है. Let's say it's an apple tree and it's on earth. The earth is attracting the apple. Is the apple also attracting the earth? The answer is yes. Okay, Shagun. The answer is yes. संजीव ने मना कर दिया. No ma'am, no. Big no. किसने बोला? Apple कैसे attract कर सकता है? Apple तो इतना सा है. Earth को थोड़ा ना कोई pull कर रहा है. Yes, everybody said yes. क्या बात है? Everybody said yes. So you know, this is a 1-marker, true or false. This is a true, false, simple. The earth attracts the apple. Does the apple attract the earth? True or false? You said true. Perfectly correct. Perfectly correct. Yes, it is yes. Now it is a 3-marker question. 3-marker. This is 1 mark you have gained. You have to answer for the rest of the 2 marks. If it does, why does the earth is not pulled towards the apple? Now, how will you answer this? They are proportional to mass and earth has very big mass resulting in a very negligible. But gamer, your answer is perfectly correct. But that is again giving me the explanation in 1 line. 2 marks. Where is the 3rd mark? Here, the 3rd mark is hidden in the maths. What you need to do, you have to prove it. You have to show it using mathematics. So everyone out there, Kunj, you are correct. Kamlesh, you are correct. I'm so sorry, I'm call out your names which I see. I know your parents, you are entering by your parents' IDs. But I just call out your names. Prachi, you are correct. Everyone is correct. But as I said, 2 marks. You are getting this as 2 marks, whatever explanation you put in. How to make a 3-mark question out of this? By putting in the maths. Maths is the tool for physics. It makes everything easy. तो आप कहानी लिखोगे उससे अच्छा maths लिखोगे. कहानी के साथ साथ maths लिखोगे. So what will you start writing? Yes, the earth and the apple attracts each other with the same force. By which law? Can you tell me which law actually correspond with this? That the apple and the earth are pulling each other with the same force? Which law tells me that? कौन सा law है? No, nobody is telling me. 3rd law, right, Aryan? Perfectly, 3rd law. So you will write it according to Newton's 3rd law. Tell what is Newton's 3rd law. Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. So the apple is pulling on the earth with the same force of gravity with which the earth is pulling on the apple. Now why they are not pulling each other? Then again go back to Newton Baba. Newton Baba ki jai. According to Newton's which law now? You will write according to Newton's 2nd law. What do we know? We know that force is equals to ma. Now if I say यहाँ पर मैंने Fm on earth, so sorry, एक सेकंड बच्चा पार्टी में भूल जाती हूँ, इसमें कंट्रोल Z नहीं चलता है, बहुत आदत है ना कंट्रोल Z यूज करने की. Just a minute. If I write force on apple and earth is equal to negative of force on E and A, what do I write? Mass of apple, acceleration of apple will be negative of mass of earth and acceleration of earth. Now you write it that mass of earth is super great as compared to mass of apple. Therefore, acceleration of earth is super less as compared to acceleration of apple. That's what you do. This makes it a 3-marker question. Obviously, you will write the statements you were writing to me in the chat panel. They were perfectly correct. But maths gives it a back. and that makes a 2 marker. 1 marker is yes or no. 2 marker, you give the reason. 3 marker, you give the mathematics. You are getting me? Yes or no? Yes or no? समझ में आ रहा है? So according to Newton's third law of motion, action and reaction are equal 1 point. It means that the force on the apple due to the earth is equal. Definitely. Then according to second law, my acceleration and mass are inversely proportional. Then आगे. This is what you have to do. If you are not writing the maths, you are missing on to one crucial marks. Are you getting me, बच्चा पार्टी? पता चल गई ना भरत? देख यही ट्रिक होती है. 1 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन 2 मार्क्स बनाने का, 2 मार्क्स का क्वेश्चन 3 मार्क्स बनाने का. कैसे बनाने का? एक्सप्लेनेशन, एडिंग एग्जाम्पल्स, एडिंग मैथमेटिक्स, राइट? These are the tricks to do around it. If you know your concepts, आप कहानी बुक लिख सकते हो यार. तुम टेंशन क्यों ले रहे हो? Right people? Yo, everybody got this? I know Bharat, it's okay. MCQs seem to be easy. आगे जाके competition दोगे, MCQs से भी प्यार हो जाएगा तुम्हें. और because all your competition will be MCQs. Everything you will see. So love it. हाँ हाँ देव, वेरी गुड बेटा. थोड़ा सा पीछे करके देखना पड़ेगा देव तुम्हें. अरे डोंट वरी अबाउट इट, डोंट गेट डिमोटिवेटेड एट ऑल अनुभा. एनीथिंग, डोंट लेट एनीथिंग डिमोटिवेट यू. कम ऑन, लाइफ इज so like don't make it complicated for yourself. Do not let any demotivation, any negativity reach you. ठीक है? चल, let's go with this. Prove that the earth attracts two bodies placed at the same distance from the center of the earth with the same force, then their masses are equal. बाप रे बाप, क्या करें इसमें? 3 mark का क्वेश्चन, क्या करें? This is a question which is actually like, I should not say, फुद्दू क्वेश्चन. क्या करना है? प्रूफ करना है कि if I have two bodies kept at the same distance, so ये मेरी अर्थ है, यहाँ पर मैं खड़ी हूँ और नॉर्थ पोल पे, और यहाँ पे मेरी फ्रेंड खड़ी है साउथ पोल पे, एंड वी आर एट द इक्वल डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द सेंटर, राइट? देन बोथ ऑफ अस, इफ वी आर फीलिंग द सेम फोर्स टुवर्ड्स द अर्थ, तो मेरा वेट भी मुझे mg लग रहा है, उसका भी वेट उसे mg लग रहा है, दे आर इक्वल, देन वी आर हैविंग सेम मास. हम लोग सेम मोटे हैं, हम उतने ही खाने पीने घर के हैं एक साथ, बस वी आर नॉर्थ एंड साउथ. सुपर इजी, इजंट इट? इजंट इट सुपर इजी? है कि नहीं है? इट्स सुपर इजी पीपल. सो हाउ टू गो अबाउट इट? टेक द टू बॉडीज, टेक देयर masses, mass of the second body, find the forces on both, and if the forces are equal, everything cancel out, your mp and mq becomes equal. Isn't it? Isn't it? It's like super easy. Very good Anubha, no worries बच्चे. See, numerical is nothing but your application. ठीक है? Numerical are cool. Why? Because they check your concept and your application at the same time. That's why they are the hot favorite of the examiner. They don't have to ask you 2 questions to know whether you know how to apply and what's the concept. They'll ask you 1 question, they will get to know your concept and your application is both correct. That's why numericals are hot favorite. नफरत है कोई बात नहीं, but get better at it. ठीक है? Okay, very good Tejas. So people, one more. Nice one, I like it. Suppose the mass of the earth somehow increases by 10%. ठीक है? Now this is a 3 marker question. Look at the question very carefully. Why I am showing you and not solving you, I'll tell you. This question if comes like this, कि मान लो अर्थ का मास बैठे बैठे 10% बढ़ गया, जैसे कोरोना में हमारा वेट बढ़ गया, राइट? हम लोग घर में बैठ के खाए जा रहे हैं, मोटे ही हो रहे हैं ना, तो अर्थ का भी बढ़ गया 10%. दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना ओनली. टोटल मास ऑफ अर्थ वॉज इंक्रीज बिकॉज टोटल ह्यूमन मास इंक्रीज्ड somehow. So 10% if it increases, the size तो always remains same यहाँ पर. What would happen to the weight? Now this is a 3 marker question. ठीक है बच्चा buddy? This is a 3 marker question. Now let me show you one more thing. Another 3 marker or another 2 marker question would be like that. Suppose the radius of the earth becomes twice of its present. Super easy. बैठे बैठाए किसी ने खींच दिया, बहुत लंबी हो गई. Its radius has been increased to twice without the change in the mass. What will happen to your weight? Right? So ideally you have to calculate your G value in both the cases. Or why to calculate the G only? Because my weight is the force by which why earth attracts me. So in both the cases, I have to tell what is the happening to my weight. This is 3 marker, this is 2 marker. अब examiner क्या करेगा? 2 question क्यों waste करे? He'll make it a 5 marker question and will give you. Do this. So this is part A of it, where the mass changes, the radius remains same. This is the part B of it, where the radius changes, the mass remains the same. You have to tell the weight in both the cases. Do you like this? I like this. This is how the examiner turns a 3 and a 2 marker question into a 5 marker, and that's what we have to learn, how to turn any question into a 5 marker. Right? Come on, Anuba. सुपर गुड, वेरी हार्ड, बिल्कुल हार्ड नहीं है देविका, इतना बड़ा प्रियल 5 नंबर बेटा इजीली थोड़े ना देते, एग्जामिनर बड़े कंजूस होते हैं, दे आर वेरी माइजर, दे वांट टू कीप ईच मार्क्स, माय गॉड 1 नंबर देना पड़ेगा इतना, चलिए रख लो जेब में. और काटने में भी कहीं तुमने यूनिट मिस करी, आई एम टेलिंग यू, इफ यू मिस अ सिंगल यूनिट दे विल कट हाफ मार्क्स, दे आर लाइक दैट, कंजूस एंड चंट. ओके ओके, ये तो बहुत बड़ा है ना अर्पण, इसलिए ऐसा करते हैं 2 पार्ट्स में ही कर लेते हैं, बड़ा लगता है, डिवाइड करो, डिवाइड एंड रूल, सिंपल, डिवाइड एंड रूल. सो व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन? फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सपोज द मास ऑफ द अर्थ. तो ये मेरी अर्थ थी, अचानक से खा पी के मोटी हो गई, कितनी बड़ी हो गई? 10%. सो इफ इट्स मास इज 10 m, इट्स मास विल बी 10% एडेड टू m. yes or no? yes or no? वेट विल इंक्रीज बाय 90%. मार दे मुझे गेमर, प्लीज किल मी, इतनी भारी नहीं हो रही हूं मैं उसके मास से. नो, weight will increase. Very good, Kunj. So ideally my mass, my new mass become m plus 0.1 m, which is 1.1 m. Now what I'll do, my weight is the force with which the earth attracts me. This is capital G, mass of earth, into my mass upon r square. The radius remain the same. So if I just say कि initially, this is my f dash, initially f was capital M, mass of earth into my mass upon r square. So यहाँ पर m dash ही change हुआ है, that is capital G 1.1 me m by r square. So I can take 1.1 of the previous force. So my weight from previous had increased to 1.1 times. So कितना हो गया? 1.1 हो गया फोर्स, पहले 1 फोर्स था, आइडली 0.1 बढ़ गया. So my weight will increase by 0.1, that means 10%. This is what is 10% na, 0.1. Yes or no? Yes or no? So ideally my weight here increase by 10%. Am I clear with the first 3 marker? तो 3 नंबर जेब के अंदर. सुपर गुड. किस किस के 3 नंबर आने वाले हैं? टेल मी, हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू आर गोइंग टू गेट 3 मार्क्स? बच्चे 1.1, बिकॉज 10% ऑफ मास वॉज इंक्रीज्ड, सो m प्लस 10% ऑफ m विल बी 10 by 100 ऑफ m, सो दिस इज गोइंग टू बी 1.1 ऑफ m. डू यू गेट इट? देव, समझ आया बच्चे? समझ आया? बच्चे इसलिए बना रखा है क्योंकि आज क्लासेस थी एंड बस थक गई थोड़ा सा, दैट्स इट. गॉट इट? जिसको आ गया है, गिव मी अ थम्स अप क्विकली, गिव मी अ थम्स अप. मेंटी भरत इज कमिंग आफ्टर दिस क्वेश्चन, डोंट वरी अबाउट दिस. मित्रा, द क्वेश्चन सेड दैट व्हाट विल हैपन टू योर वेट if the mass of the earth changes or increases by 10%, keeping the radius same. Now first thing you have to understand is that the weight is nothing but the force by which the earth attracts me. That means if the earth is pulling on me, capital G, mass of earth, my mass upon the radius of earth ka square is the weight of the body. Now it is said that the mass of the earth has been increased by 10%. So the new mass is 1.1 m. Everything else in the formula is the same. So ideally my weight becomes 1.1 times of the old weight. That means there is an increase of 10% in my weight. तो अगर अर्थ मोटी हो रही है, इसका मतलब मैं भी मोटी हो रही हूँ, बिकॉज मैंने खा कर मोटापा ले आया. राइट? सुपर. ओके, लेट्स गो टू द, अरे बाप रे बाप, मैंने क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिखा दिया, ये तो गलत हो गया, बट कोई बात नहीं. लेट्स सी. Now if the radius of the earth becomes twice, I guess this is the simple, बहुत ही easy है. That's why it is a 2-marker question. Here it is r dash is twice of r. What will change in my weight? Simple, same scenario. The force in this case is capital G, capital M, small m upon r square. This f dash will be capital G, capital M, small m upon 2r square. So I guess this is super easy. It will become 1/4. तभी ये 2 marks का है. तभी ये 2 marks का. So ideally my radius, if it is going to increase, my new weight, if you can see this, it is going to become 4 times. Radius reduce होगा तो force of gravity will increase, right? So people, it is not percent. It's not percent बच्चे. It is going to increase. Now this is the last question. I'm leaving this as a homework question for you guys. Do you get me? I'm leaving this question as a homework question. I want to see how many of you, because we have done this type of a question in our first session, how many of you are going to give me the right answer of this? I don't want to see the right answers here. Put your right answers in the comment, and in the next class I'll mention those who will write the first. Give me the first correct answer in the comment after this class. Are you ready? Fine with this? This is the question. Take a screenshot. We have done one type of this. अगर आपको confusion है कैसे करना है, see the previous session. The link will be there in the playlist of the description. So I'm leaving this question for you to solve, people. I'm not going to solve this question right away, and we are going to get into the Menti again. But I cannot miss on this. I told you this, but I need to reinforce this कि right now it is the best time for everyone to go for Vedantu. Because it is the best platform. I'm telling you why. Because I had been worked with other places. I had been to other things, and I have seen how education has changed its way. Why I'm here? Because I like it. And if a teacher is liking it, the student is definitely going to enjoy it. So make sure you always keep on liking the video. Make it 100 if you can, because that would make me very, very happy. And yes, there's just one thing. If you want to join Vedantu, the way is very easy. And why you should join Vedantu, I'll give you a reason. Here is my portal. Okay? If you join Vedantu, this is the portal which will be similar for you, with your classes mentioned, which classes when, your science, your PCM, maths, everything. And if you go to any of these all are my ongoing classes, ongoing batches. Right now it is work and energy. And if I just play any of these, you will see how much learning is there and how much fun we have in a class. So let's just keep going. So you can just see. When she was just born, she was very, very, very energetic. Right? So I just love my classes. I love because I don't get to know when my time runs away. It's what we do in classes. We have any number of students coming. We try to solve their doubts as much as they are. There is so much cool things. Every class is a live class. Every class there are doubts solved within the class, not just by one teacher, rather 2 teachers. There are plenty of things that you can do. You can check your performance. You can see how many quizzes you have answered. You can see the recording as many times. And it's like awesome. I love it. I literally love it. And that's why I suggest anyone and everyone out there to go for it. And right now it is the best time. Why? Because if I just click on this term 2 full syllabus, let's say right now it is term 2 coming up round the corner, and even now we are actually promising you will complete your syllabus and make sure we'll definitely improve your current position wherever you are. So this time with the code of BA Pro, you are getting a super discount. The course for term 2 for light, where you get all the live classes, your test series, right now your assignments, your doubt solving, that is super important, is at a super price. If you compare this 3000 with your 6 different tuitions, it's not even 500 rupees per subject. And if you want to just add a bit of an advantage with 1000 extra, so let's just make it 500 plus 150, 650 per subject for doubt solving mobile app. Why would you miss it? This sale is on from today, till 31st. use my code. I'm telling you why to use BA Pro, because that way I'll also get to know whether I influenced you or not, whether I am making a change or not. So use the code BA Pro, and yes, if you want to go for a trial, still that is there for 600 rupees, right? So you can just go for 600 rupees or 800 rupees for a 15-day trial. Think about it. Do not miss this chance. BA Pro is the code, right? Let's come back to our mentee. Where is it? Mentee Babu. So everybody out there, join the mentee back, because we are going to go to the next question. Are you coming? Are you coming, people? Quickly get to 77729 I can see 21 people. Mitra, if you use my code, it will become 1 month. Shh, it's secret. Okay, come on. Ma'am, are you, I'm in your lesson in which you told about force. What is force and any answer? But I didn't get you, Sunil, but I get you some point. Okay, everybody, 25 people have joined it already. Already 25 people have joined in. 77729 That's what I always said. So the mentee is you start and you end. If you leave in the middle, then obviously you're not getting the first prize. But if you want, if your eyes are on the first list of the leaderboard, this is the right point. Come on, quickly. I'm going to count till 10. Let's see how many people are joining in. 77729 It is 10. Tick, tick, 9. Tick, tick, 8. Tick, tick, 7. Tick, tick, 6. Tick, tick, 5. Tick, tick, 4. Now, I don't know how many of you do see. I just started saying money heist. And I'm on the season 3 and don't ask me. It is in my mind. How many of you have seen that series? कितने लोगों ने देखा है? It is feeling like that bomb that is ticking there. Robbery. Tick, tick, 4. Tick, tick, 3. Tick, tick, 2. And we are getting in. Ready or not, we are coming. Chalo, 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 chalo. What is the SI unit of G? Now today only I have a very cool session on NTSC, and we just went next level. Not just the SI unit. We were able to figure out the CGS unit as well. So you need to be knowing the SI unit for sure. For CBSE, what is the SI unit of G? Newton kg square per meter square, Newton meter square per kg square, Newton meter per kg, or none of these. Everybody has answered and everybody has made me proud. अरे ये तो पोपट हो गया, रुक जाओ, वापस जाने दो. You guys have taught me this, so let me just do this. ये मेरे से ही गलती हो सकती है. Me, it is me. Let me just put the right answer is Newton meter square per kg square, and bachcha party, you guys have done it. Correct. Come on. Yes, correct. Yay! धोखा नहीं है, मैंने ठीक कर दिया. I'm so sorry, मेरी गलती थी. So G is 6.67 into 10 raised to power minus 11 Newton meter square per kg square. You guys have got it correct. 87%. Tension मत लो. Thank you well. ये तुम लोगों ने मुझे सिखाया. You guys are very good. Thank you. So Bhumi is on the top. I can see Tejas is not playing now. Kevin from Andaman. I wish I can be there. Oh, change in position. Priyal. Hello, ma'am. Second Priyal. Okay. Kevin from Andaman is third. Metal is fourth. Then it's Shreyam. Future Archimedes without the Eureka movement. I hope you get the Eureka movement, but you remember to put on your essentials. Okay. Ayana, then Bharat. High five, Shivam sir. Multi-purpose Pragati, subscribe. Navu, baby, and Kunj. Menti Queen is back. Let's go with a cute micey out there. Next question. कोई बात नहीं मित्रा, कोई बात नहीं. आ जाओ. तेजस, come on, network. बेटा बचा के रखना चाहिए ना क्लास तक. Last question. Second last question on your screen now. Answer fast to get more points. We know that mentee. Which of the following is the evidence to show that there must be a force acting on Earth and directed towards the Sun? How do we know Sun and Earth has some connection in between? How do we know there is a force? By the deviation of the falling body towards east? By the revolution of the Earth around the Sun? By the phenomena of day and night? Or by apparent motion of the Sun around the Earth? Let's see. Let's see. How many people? Yes, Mitra. What's the doubt, bacha? Ooh, you guys are making it go very well. 80%. See, that's the change that comes here, bacha party. When you're there, just tell me, after attending all the session and just doing all the questions and getting the right answer, does it boost your confidence? Yes or no? B or C? The answer, the confusion should be between B and D, bache. That was very similar. Does it boost your answer? Oh, sorry. Does it boost your confidence? If it does boost your confidence, that's the thing. That's why we have these sessions. That's why these live classes are very important, because you get to see what you're learning then and there. Right? Super nice to know. So the right answer is obviously the earth is going around the sun because of the centripetal force. And who provides the centripetal force? The force of attraction between the earth and the sun. So Kevin is stopped with his football. No, metal. Oh my goodness. Metal. I guess today's the symbols are very cool. Metal with the rock. Then it's Kevin with the football. Shreyam, future Archimedes with that umbrella. So I guess when Archimedes was jumping out of the tub, Shreyam opened his umbrella. No. Bharat, high five. Shivam Sarka, student with a burger. Shivam, do you like burger? Navu baby with a clover lucky leaf. Ayana with a bot. Multipurpose Pragati subscribe. Kunj, Menti Queen is back. Pankaj with a smiley cat. And Tejas with snowman. Tejas ठंड है ना? बहुत बर्फ गिर रही है तुम्हारे यहाँ पर? So I can really see today the symbols Menti has chosen very appropriately with all the students. Come on, let's go to the last question of the Menti and let's see how many of you are going to get this. What do you think? Easy or difficult? I'm not showing the question yet. Is it going to be easy or difficult? Tell me. Ma'am, I'm in the 11th. Mitra, very good. You have improved from 14 to 11. That's what matters. It is what matters. Competition खुद से करना है, दुनिया से नहीं करना. First, we our own are the best competition for ourselves, right? Easy होगा. I know easy होगा, ma'am. हमें सब आता है. So it is super easy. Just don't do a silly mistake, okay? So let's see the last question on your computer screens now. Which of the following statements about the gravitational constant is true? You have to pick the true statement. So there are 3 false statements, 1 true statement. What is that? It is a force. Second, it has same value in all systems of units. It depends. All system of units means SI, CGS or MKS. That's what it is talking. It depends on the value of the masses, or it does not depend on the nature of the medium in which the bodies are kept. Which statement is the truth statement out there? बाकी 3 झूठ बता रही है. You have to tell the lie out of all these 4 and pick up the one which tells you the truth. मिस क्लिक, हे भगवान, यही जानना था मुझे बस. बहुत इजी था भरत, बहुत. अरे बाबा रे, this is what, that's why I explained you the second line. In all system doesn't mean the solar system or the universe. In all system means the units, MKS, SI, CGS. No, this value changes because when we go from one unit to another, there is a difference of some tens or some zeros. If I give you an example, force has a unit of Newton in SI, but in CGS it has a unit of dyne, and actually 1 unit is equal to 10 raised to power 5 dyne. So it is not going to be same, na? There will be a change in the value. Same happens with gravitational constant. Its value is not same in all the systems of units. Obviously, it is not a force, it's a constant, universal gravitational constant, and it does not depend on anything. Neither the masses, the distance, anything at all. It is a constant quantity. The only correct statement which is correct for the force of attraction, that is the force of gravity, that it does not depend on the medium between. Doesn't matter the 2 bodies are in air, in water or in any particular solid, or is there any medium. Doesn't matter they are air on or moon. The force between 2 bodies is always going to be same if they are kept at the same distance and have the same masses. So talking about it, it is the medium, and 69% of the people have got it correct, which is not bad. But yes, that's what it is. Question कोई मुश्किल नहीं होता बच्चा पार्टी. You guys know everything. The only thing matters how our brain works in that crucial time, right? So let's see who's the winner today. Priyal, is it you? Oh my God, first प्रियल यार ये हो क्या रहा है मेरी क्लास में आज. ओके प्रियल somehow made it to the top because अभी तक मुझे प्रियल लिस्ट में दिख भी नहीं रही थी. How did you manage it? But it's super amazing. High five to you as well. Kevin from Andaman. Please make me come there once. Is on the top. Bharat, Shivam sir student is third. Then it's Kunj. Then it's Ayush. Then it is Pragati. And Tejas and Vedika, Kavya. Tejas, are you angry? Okay, I'm so sorry. Okay, and Bhuvi, I can't help it यार, मैं बचपन से ऐसी हूँ और अभी भी मेरा बचपन गया नहीं है, but can't help it. Super cute. So please Tejas, do answer this in the comment as well. And you have your homework question. I will be looking for your answers. ठीक है. अगर होमवर्क क्वेश्चन का आंसर सब में से क्लियर नहीं आया, जितने बच्चों ने ये सेशन अटेंड करा, आई वांट देम टू आंसर इन द कमेंट with the right answer because we have done one question of such type in the previous class. In the next class, we are going to go to the next topic, which is the acceleration due to gravity. Come prepared. We will be doing 2 markers, 3 markers, and as well as 5 markers with the level up. Be ready for it. Till then, just keep learning. And do not forget, the code is BA Pro. You can definitely put this into use because now is the best chance. This is going to give you a golden chance. And I just told you, not even 500 rupees for each subject, even right now, if you wish कि मेरा full syllabus cover हो जाए और मैं अभी भी improve करूँ. अगर लगता है hope है, this is the place where you find the hope and the code is BA Pro. Okay? Do not forget to like, share and subscribe the video. Do subscribe to the channel and अपने friends को ज़रूर share कर देना ताकि वो लोग भी आ जाए next time मेंटी में और मज़ा आ जाए और. ठीक है? So take care bacha party. I always enjoy. I hope you also enjoyed the session as much as I did and learned as well. Take care till the time we meet next and happy Republic Day to you all. Maybe we are not going to meet before that. Be proud to be an Indian. Take care. Keep smiling, keep learning and keep rocking. Bye-bye. Have a good day, great night and a great week ahead. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Ta-das. Hasta la vista. Okay, I'm saying so much.